everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to be talking about how you're able to turn off your Bixby Home and really at that same time deleting or changing any of your home screen. So as you use your Samsung phones, you might be forgetting some of the very simple, basic, small things. One of those is by doing a pinch and zoom anywhere on any home screen to get you into this page here where you can change your wallpaper, themes, widgets, and also your home screen settings. Now the other way you can do that is by pressing and holding anywhere on the screen that is empty with no icon sitting there. It takes you again right back to this page, but this little toggle here is a way that you're able to turn off or on your Bixby Home. So when you first get your Samsung phone, if you swipe over here and you see that little home dashes and it takes you into Bixby, if you would like to either have this on or off, you can simply do a pinch and zoom, swipe over, turn it off, and then you can move right back over here. And then now that little menu, that little spot there is now gone. You can still have your Bixby open up right there if you want to. So I actually have mine just on this second page sitting right there. And I guess since we're still talking about doing a pinch and zoom or this press and hold anywhere on the home screen, if you do need to make any changes with any of these home screens, this is how you're able to do it. This is if you move over here, you can add a additional screen. You can hit on that little trash can and you can actually get rid of it. And then as you move on over, you can delete that one. Now let's say that you're over here and you have icons or applications that are sitting on there. When you hit on delete, it's just going to delete the page. It will not get rid of those applications. They'll still be inside of your application tray. They just won't be sitting on a home screen itself. So this was just simply a way that you're able to get rid of your Bixby Home, something that you might just simply forget because you use your phone so often that you might not remember that you're able to get this thing done. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul.